Dropping the Jeep off. It's gonna look a lot different whenever I get it back. This is the last look. It's gonna look like a completely different truck. Yes, it's gonna look a lot different. Ava, what are we getting?
Ava gets to pick it out. Here, let's see what else you got. That don't even look like a hummingbird feeder, Ava.
How the hummingbird's gonna know what that is?
Oh, we can have this.
We can.
Bunch of bird seed.
Yeah, I want this one.
Smooth.
I want this squirrel. Mama ate the corn. Mama, this is for squirrel.
It's broken. Both these are broken.
Mama.
Mama.
Supposed to?
Mommy.
Yeah, that's my name.
These two bags are
What? Do what?
You put corn in here and you save it, and then if they eat it all, you could put another one and screw it so they could eat it again.
Yeah, you screw the corn cob on that little screw right there.
Yeah, and you save.
I saw a bunch of squirrels in the yard today while y'all were at your camp.
Then we should put the corn in it today.
Yeah.
Okay, what's up? Good evening. So today we went to Home Depot, and what did we get, Park?
We got a lot of these. We got corn.
We bought a bird house,
We got
a
this.
squirrel house.
Do we put grass in that?
No, the squirrel feeder, the corn and the other stuff in there.
This
So
is where
we got 4 girls home, so everybody picked one thing. Parker picked the bird house, Riley picked the squirrel house, and then Ava and Olivia picked 2 of the, so 2 different ones. And then what? All of the food.
Mommy, I like this one.
I had a hummingbird feeder, but it's broke crack in the glass, so it hasn't been working. So we went and got new ones since the pool and everything is done now. I'll show y'all from the other side, but Adam's hanging a long time ago. So yeah, the pool's done. Adam's hanging up the curtains I bought. We have like the blue and white, a tad of orange for a pop color for the outside. But yeah, so we got the tubs done. What we changed on the tub was we replaced the tile and put travertine on top so that it's more comfortable. New plaster in the pool, new tile, and then we redid a cool deck on the patio. So, and the pool has the bag in it. Cold part? A little bit warm. Now it's time to get everything out of the garage and back set up on the patio. Adam sprayed the poles today. Those sprayed black, so he sprayed those, and now he's hanging the curtains up. So 4th of July is coming in. We're having 4th of July here, so time to decorate.
But do they eat through here? Yeah. Oh, the food goes right here.
We're gonna fill it up, and then it comes to those little holes.
Mama, can I put some in there?
What?
Can I put the corn in there?
The corn's gonna go on the stake over there on the little screw over there.
Mama, I want to do these.
That's gonna go in the squirrel house. Whoa, Riley, that's not gonna work.
Can someone help me?
But this is the hummingbird feeder Ava picked out. And then we picked out, where's the other hummingbird feeder?
Anyone do this?
It's over here.
Help me.
The red one. Okay, got it?
No. Mama, I want to do it.
Gotta kind of screw it on there. Push down, you gotta push hard.
There's a corn I cut off. Another corn.
You gotta push hard. There you go. There it is. No, Riley, then we're gonna put the loose food in there. This one.
Yeah.
But Daddy's gotta hang it first, okay?
I just put corn in there. Shoot the corn.
Oh, the corn that fell off? It's okay. So this is what Riley picked out. The squirrel feeder. It's cute.
And I picked out this.
This. You picked out this birdhouse, huh?
Yeah.
So you ready to fill it up?